Here's our hydroponics now after 21 days. Look at how tall. And then we can extend this. We can like move it up as they grow taller. But I think that this is like fine. So I'm having it like this. The lettuce are ready for harvest. This one too, the jute. And this one's the Chinese chrysanthemum. They are a little slow growing, so it'll probably take another 10 days. But the lettuce, they were ready since 5 days ago, but I was just like busy. Look at that. Look at how beautiful. It's gonna be winter time soon, and many couldn't plant outside anymore, even if like you have a backyard garden. So if you still want to eat freshly picked vegetables, this is the way to go. This is hydroponics. It has like, it's growing on water, and it has like this. I'm going to do unboxing after this. So it has like soil here, and then it has water underneath. And the vegetables grow really fast. This is from LetPot. Let's turn it on. And this is like the 21st day of growing. So the jute, or the saluyot in Filipino, they grow really fast. The lettuce too. The lettuce have been ready for harvest since 5 days ago. I was just busy. But the Chinese chrysanthemum, they are a little slow growing. They'll be ready in probably like 10 days. And so today we're going to harvest our lettuce. And then this one is ready too, but I don't know what to do with this yet. So probably tomorrow we're going to harvest the jute. And so this is a hydroponic system from LetPot, LetPot. This is the name of the company, and it's operated through an app. I can show you when I unbox this. So there is an app, and then it's automatic. It would water when there's not enough water. You can have like, you can do it manually too, or you can have like something like this, and it would draw water from here if it needs water. And it has like plant food too, and it's the same thing. It's like automatic. It will dispense like plant food like this. There are two plant food. This one too. That are there. There's like a place where you could put the plant food. And what else? I can show you the unboxing and the other features after this. But look at this. The jute is really hard to grow. I planted like probably like 50 seeds in the backyard garden, and like directly like sowed it in the garden, and only one germinated. And here, like, see, I have a lot of jute. And this one, so you can use this to grow like, if like kind of like this. I'll use this for next year since they are hard to grow outdoor. And I'm going to start here, and then I can just transfer them when they are growing like this in the backyard garden. So you can do it that way too, or you could just like grow it from here. So if you live in an apartment or a condominium or a townhouse where you don't have a backyard garden, you can use this too. So you can always have like freshly picked vegetables, like really clean and organically grown vegetables at your disposal. So you can just actually you can just like, because like, can you see it's super clean, it's inside the house. You can use it like that, right? Oh my god, it's so good. It's so good. The lettuce. So it's like a one-time investment. You buy this and you keep on growing vegetables from here. So once this is done, you can like try another like variety of vegetables, right? So once the lettuce is gone, I can probably, we have a lot of kale outdoor, so something else. But only because we can grow vegetables outdoor year round here in Los Angeles, but in other like places, whatever vegetable you like to eat during like summer, like again, like I said, tomatoes. I tried growing tomatoes here too, so you can have like a complete salad, right? Like a salad garden, a hydroponic salad garden. I have lettuce here, I have tomatoes here, I have something else in the middle. So it's going to be like a bowl of salad in one thing. When I harvest, I can harvest everything and I have like a salad, just need the dressing, right? I'm not sure if I could eat the jute like that, like raw, so I'm not eating that. But this one is so good. I'm going to finish this. Oh my gosh, it's so good. It tastes so good. And you know how clean it is, right? It's growing from here. I thought there could be dust here. If you are interested in growing food but you don't have a backyard or a balcony to grow them because you live in a high-rise building or an apartment, then this is perfect for you. I have here a smart 4-in-1 hydroponics growing system, which we are going to unbox today. This is the easiest and high-tech way to grow edibles. I have here lettuce, different varieties of lettuce. These are the seeds that we are going to plant, so it's just going to like plant the seeds and wait until harvest time. And then I have here jute or like saluyot. This is a popular like vegetable in Asia and I think in Africa too. And this is like garland chrysanthemum. I really love this in salad. So let's unbox this one. Grow smarter, harvest. Grow smarter, harvest better. And then this is also like really nice on a kitchen island like this. It can provide like lighting too. You don't need an extra light. This is the brand LetPot. So I need to press here and then just pull this up. There you go. Oh, you see? And the light here. And then everything is here. There are 21 holes here to plant the seeds. A sponge here, a basket kit, and then this is transparent pipe, and then big sponge and big basket. Oh, big sponge and big basket. And these are the ones that go in here, the sponge, like that. Have labels and like those ones. Let's put them together. First, we need to fill this each of these bottles with 100 ml water. These are like plant food. I need to mix them well, and then pour half of it on this one. Let's install the app. Set on auto mode, and then it's getting water from here. Now let's insert them here. On the 6 baskets, I'm going to plant jute. Now they have sprouted. Some on the open tubes and then some with the dome. See? But I need to cover them, the ones that have sprouted, because they look kind of like dry. This one, the leaves are drying versus say for example this one. See? So I need to cover. This is day 5. Look at all the seedlings that are growing. Beautiful. This is day 17 and look at our hydroponics now. The lettuce are growing beautifully. Again, this is LetPot and they have a storefront at Amazon. Look at how beautiful. These are freckled lettuce. This one too. And they're actually ready for harvest. You can use them to tap on your soup, and then you can use them as salad too. And you just harvest and keep the rest growing. Keep the plant growing. Just harvest a few leaves and then the plant will keep on growing. Look at how tall the plants are now. The ones here are lettuce. The middle ones are jute or saluyot in Filipino. And the slow growing ones are Chinese chrysanthemum. These are great on soup. I didn't know that they are like very slow growing. So today is day 17 and I'm going to show you how it refills water. It is like automatic, but since it's hard to get a perfect timing, 1 second. When it's going to dispense water, I'm going to show you manually. Here's the water level now. It's like low, so we're going to refill it. So if you have it there, see, it's kind of like in an aquarium.